Installing rack latches. Align the rack latch with the pin on the chassis, and then press it onto the chassis and slightly slide it backward. Note, to avoid damage to the cable, make sure that the cable is properly routed and does not cover the screw holes. Fasten the screws to secure the rack latch to the side of the server. Insert the upper part of the cable retainer into the chassis, and then push in the lower part. Fasten the screws to secure the cable retainer. Connect the cable on the rack latch to the system board assembly. Note, the cable connection location will vary in different system configurations. Install the following components to the system. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.